Mesopotamia. A name most people have heard, a civilization most people know nothing about. It existed between two rivers, the Tigris and the Euphrates, in the land that is, today, Iraq. And it was here, roughly 5,000 years ago, that human beings first decided to stop wandering and start building. The Sumerians were the first. They built cities when the rest of the world was still living in scattered tribes. They invented writing. Not to write poetry, but to record grain, to track debts, to document law. That is how civilization begins, not with grand ideas, but with the simple need to remember. After the Sumerians came Akkad, the world's first empire. It was built by a single man, Sargon, who united every city under one rule for the first time in history. Then came Babylon, and with Babylon, Hammurabi. 282 laws, carved in stone, placed in public, for every citizen to see. The idea was simple. No one stands above the law, not the merchant, not the soldier, not even the king. That idea is 4,000 years old. It still runs the world today. Mesopotamia was not perfect. It had slavery. It had war. It had kings who ruled by fear. But it also had the first schools, the first maps, the first calendar, and the first story ever written, the Epic of Gilgamesh. A tale about a king who was afraid of death and went searching for eternal life. He never found it. But he left behind something more valuable than immortality. He left behind a story. And 4,000 years later, we are still reading it. That is Mesopotamia. Not just the first civilization, but proof that what humans build with their minds outlasts everything they build with their hands.